Duplex, or two-sided copying, provides you with a simple and cost-effective method for printing data quickly and minimizing paper waste. Copying in Duplex is one of the easiest and most valuable ways you can reduce your impact on the environment and improve your company's bottom line. This can also be set as a default within System menu to help minimize paper consumption throughout your organization. Select Copy. Select Duplex. Select one-sided to two-sided to turn single-sided originals to double-sided copies. To adjust Duplex orientation, called binding on the devices, select Duplex again. Select More. Select your binding, either binding left, right, or binding top. For this example, I'll select binding left, right. Press OK. Place originals in the document processor and press Start.